So what's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be comparing the speakers here on the OnePlus 3 versus the HTC 10, and let's just search for NCS. Let's just go for this one. I'll put the microphone here in between so you guys can compare the two. Let me just adjust the brightness so it's not too bright for you guys. From what I can tell, the screen on the OnePlus 3 is much brighter, but that's besides the point. So here is the sound comparison. Enjoy. So hopefully guys were able to tell the difference between the two. I personally, I don't think these phones have like any difference in the speakers. The only difference I would point out is the fact that the OnePlus 3 does have a bit of a better quality. I'm not too sure, but hopefully guys were able to hear it and pretty much compare the two and just figure out which one sounds better. In my opinion, of course, I would go with the OnePlus 3 just because it's the HTC 10 is twice the cost. But yeah, I'm really disappointed that the HTC 10 doesn't have the dual front speakers this year. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely drop this video a like, and I'll see you all in my next video.